Hello friends, and today we're going to model this tricky little shape, and it's basically curve workflow but with a little bit of spice. Let's start. So the dimensions of this thing is 7 by 5, and as usual we will start from center circle. Let's grab it and make it something like this. Then let's press S, X, and just scale it a little bit like over here. Yeah, that's the shape. Maybe a little bit less over here, just to this oval thing. I need to make an offset here, something like O, and just drop it over here. Now let's drop this straight line over here and this gap. Okay, let's begin from the gap. It's basically O and another one offset here, and I need to drop the straight line here. I will need something like that, I think, to make the triangle over here. I think it's somewhere in the middle of this guy. Let's just drop it like this. So what's next? Next is this gap over here. Let's drop it something like this, I think. Let's adjust it a bit to make this arrow. And I also need to make an offset of it just over here, just a bit. Let's drop it like this. Now I need the straight line here, and I need to connect it to this thing. We have the gap here, it will be over here. So we need one more offset and that we can drop here. Let's try it like this. And let's scale these boys a bit. Yep, so they cover all these things. Just take the trim, it's T. So I don't need this, and this, I guess. Also need one thing over here. Just to have this gap. Yes, trim again, but it's not necessary here, it's not a big deal. Just don't need one. And we definitely don't need this part because it will slowly goes into this one. So we can basically delete it and merge one from here to slowly go inside of this one. And here is also should be, if we just finish in the line here like that, yeah, we can have it a little bit with this tension here. Let's just try to make this. It's like a visual guide for us, and make it a little bit lower, something like that. Yeah, good. Trim it quickly over here, I don't need it. And let's trim this one too. And let's do the straight line here. So it will be like here, and the straight line, I think, here. Yeah, just to have this triangle shape. A little bit over here. Definitely more, because we're looking from perspective. Maybe a little bit less. I don't need this lower part too, and I will match it right inside of this thing here. Let's try it. So I will take this vertex in the vertex mode, just take the second one and press Shift B. Okay, and we need here the G0. Here will be, I don't know, G1 I think will be much better here. Or actually G2, or maybe G3? No, G2. Let's drop it on the G2. Yep, and this thing should go inside of here. Take it like this and like this. Overall look is pretty good. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's trim that bad boy out of here. Let's try to bridge it. Just take this, Shift B, let's try G0, G1, and G0, G2. Let's try it like this. G1 here again. Let's just drop it a little bit like that. And let's try to adjust these points over here, just to make them more kind of like in this vibe. Good. Yeah, this is badass. I like it. Oh, let's extrude it, definitely, and finish it up with this number and some little bevels. Let's just take everything. I need this. I need this. Also need these two, these guys, these things, and yep, I will just extrude it over here on some 6.4. Okay, I need to hide all these curves to the curves. Maybe I will need them later. Let's go to mesh. Let me see the lines. Yeah, that's pretty good. And let's delete the redundant topology. One thing here, it's a little bit upper. Let me just adjust it a bit. So yeah, if I just take this one and drop it up a little bit and then press RV, take this part and just do it like this. Good, yeah, that's good. Or maybe actually, you know, I can do it a little bit lower just to preserve this gap. Something like this. I think work better. A little bit higher. Yeah, I think this is good. V, put it here and just like this. Okay, now let's do the bevels. I will start from this one. Let's make it like this. I think these two should be similar. Definitely like this. This one should be massive. Something like that. No, it should be a little bit like this. Or actually, it should be a little bit smaller because I want to see this nice gap there. Lower one, a little bit more charismatic, like this. But we still should see the arrow, like this. This one, it should be just a small one. No, actually, let's drop them separately. So I need it like this, and the second one should be like that. Good. These inner parts are small enough, and I tried to move it a little bit lower, this thing. No, I can't, but I definitely can adjust it just a little bit. I just want it to be smaller to the end, so let's do it. It's pretty easy. Let me just take the bridge curve. Let's take the spline curve. Let's take it like this. Then let's take it like this. And the last one should be over here. Right click to apply. Yeah, this sort of thing. Let's take it. Let's press E to extrude it. And let's extrude it somewhere here. Delete this curve, we don't need it. And let's take the lower part, F, match face, and match it to this face. Oh my god. Okay, press this, press Ctrl R, drop the cut here, take this face, F, match face, and make it here. Nope. Interesting, very interesting. Drop it like this, F, match face, and drop it here. Good. So if it doesn't work, just drop it a little bit outside and then match it. Don't need this shit, let's delete it. Good. Let me just see. Yeah, it's perfect, I think. If it doesn't... Yeah, it's just a little bit. It can cause some little harsh edges there, so let's avoid it like that. So I will take this one, I will drop a Ctrl R, I will take another one, Ctrl R, I will select it, Shift X, I will select this and do a Shift J to patch it. And I will do it on a G1 and right click. Good. Yeah, this is much better. Just without these ugly gaps there. So basically, if you do this match face thing, try to protect yourself with this patching technique, because it will be much better. Okay, let's take these two. Let's bevel them a little bit. Can I just do a full? Yeah, I can. Perfect. And the top one doesn't need to be full. It just needs to be a something like this. Yup, perfect. And these two are, this one should be like this. Let's drop it. And this one should be a little bit softer, just to match this vibe over here. Yeah, I don't like this super narrow thing here. Let's just make it a bit wider. Okay. What's left? What's left? Everything is pretty much done, you know. Let's also do this thing too, because I think it will give us a little bit weirdness on the render. So I will take these two, Shift X, Shift J, G1, right click. Let's just do a F and redundant topology. Let me just try one thing here pretty quickly. Can I just delete everything? Like everything. Do a Shift X and then select this and do a Shift J and drop G1 here and G1 here and do a right click. Yeah, so we just have one nice big perfect shape without cuts like that, because I can't Shift X them and I don't know how it will look in the render part. Maybe I just should do this type of thing here too. Let's select this. Let's do a Shift X. Let's do this. Let's do a Shift J. Patch it. G1. G1. Perfect. Let me just see it. Yeah, everything is very nice, very good, very juicy. Yeah, and that's basically it. You just need the text and bevels on the sides. Let's drop the bevels on the sides. I think little ones like that. If you don't need them, you basically select it and do a X and it will gone. But be careful, sometimes you can't do that. Okay, and let's drop the numbers. So basically it's pretty easy. I will just select this, do a Shift space to place the construction plane here. F, text. I will write something like that. Oh, I like that. This is cool. Let's leave it like that. Let's make it smaller. Make it like this. Make it like this. Put it over here. Select it, Control G, text. Shift I, imprint it. Good. Hide it. Select all of these things and just extrude inside. Just little gentle extrude and click off the construction plane. Yeah, perfect. Here you have it. Your juicy little asset. I hope you're modeled the much better thing than me. I hope you're feeling good, creating new things. And as always, have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye.